Alright you guys, we got the video up. I woke up super early to finish editing and to get this up in like all the YouTube tags and everything. But now I'm just going to fill out my agenda. This is yesterday's to-do list that I didn't finish. And we're going to start a new one for today. Hi guys, happy Saturday. It is Saturday, December 15th, but it's technically Vlogmas Day 16. I'm so excited to bring you guys along with me for another day in my life vlog. I've been having so much fun with Vlogmas. I hope you guys have as well. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys have been enjoying it as well. But I got ready, I did my hair and makeup. I already uploaded a new video for today. I woke up at 7. I honestly felt like that was a little crazy, but it's all good. We got everything almost done. We have a big busy day today and I'm super excited. And I got my cute little monogrammed pullover from Saltwater Prep. I'm doing a giveaway with them on my Instagram, which is just at Kellyprepster. But I also just did an unboxing from them in yesterday's vlog. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. But I'm going to show you guys a little OOTD and then I'm going to go eat breakfast because I'm so hungry and I really want to drink my smoothie. So this is just what I'm currently wearing. I don't know if I'll wear it all day, but I just really wanted to try on this new sweatshirt. I am wearing a size small and honestly it's really big on me. I kind of hope it shrinks a little bit, but it's so cute. And then I just have on some ripped up skinny jeans from Abercrombie and Fitch and some cute little Christmas socks. I'll probably add like my hunter boots or something just because it is raining outside. This is just a super simple outfit and I wanted to show you guys how the sweatshirt fits. So it does have the 1/4 zip, which I really like. The monograms lays perfectly in my opinion. The sleeves I rolled up because I was doing my makeup, but they're really comfy and like nice little seam on them and everything. And I did mention I'm wearing a size small for reference if you guys are wondering. Bottom of it's pretty long, but again it might shrink in the wash, I'm not really sure. Just the cutest thing ever. And this is actually a Comfort Colors product, which is so cool. I absolutely love their t-shirts and sweatshirts and everything. I'll let you guys know what I'm wearing. I'm going to take my cell phone, we're going to reply to some YouTube comments and go make a smoothie because I'm so hungry. Okay, but seriously the best part about being the first one up and waking up early is turning the Christmas tree on. It's so pretty, you guys. Oh, I just love it. Okay, I'm going to go make my breakfast now. My smoothie's gone. But I did finish replying to all of my YouTube comments. You guys seriously are so amazing. And look how cute this background is. I'm going to post this on my Instagram story and the little highlights for the wallpaper in case you guys do want it. Oh my goodness, you guys. So I'm back in my room. I finished drinking my smoothie. It was so good. And as I was walking up the steps, I looked by the front door and guys, there was a package inside. I guess I didn't notice it yesterday and like my brother brought it in or something, but guys, I got this huge box. I'm so excited. I did slice it open already, but it's from EASTLAND shoes. I am freaking out right now because I followed them on Instagram, which I will have on the screen. I am so excited about this because I found these shoes on Abercrombie's website and I was like, Kelly, you don't need another pair of shoes. Like, I was just like, no. And then I kept seeing them and I was like, I just really love these shoes. And then we got in connection together and they sent me my dream shoes and I'm so excited and I'm just shocked that they got here so fast. So inside this box is a big green shoe box. I am so excited about this, you guys. Oh my goodness. They seriously ship these out so fast. Okay, so opening it up, it just has a little card and it says Kelly. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm like fangirling right now. Okay, let's open this up. Ooh, their stationery is cute. It says EASTLAND. Very cute. It says, hi Kelly, welcome to the EASTLAND family. I'm freaking out. We can't wait to see how you style your new shoes. Please tag our women's account when you post at EASTLAND shoe. It's the one with the green logo as the profile picture. Thank you so much, the EASTLAND team. Again, their Instagram and their links will be listed down below. I am freaking out right now, you guys. And this was also sitting underneath the card and it's the iconic EASTLAND knot. And I did do this little knot on my Beanboots and they have little instructions on the back. So if you guys want to screenshot this so you can have it, go ahead, you know, like so you have the instructions. But it's really simple and there are also YouTube videos on how to do that. Gosh, you guys, I'm so excited to open this up. Oh, they're just so pretty. Okay, you guys are probably like, what? I can't see them. Guys, oh, look at these. Aren't these just like the perfect preppy fall and winter shoe? I'm so excited to style these. They're like a really pretty dark leather. I think this is in the shade Walnut. It kind of reminds me of like Sperry boat shoes, but like in boot form. I am so excited to style these, and I love the yellow laces. I feel like that's so unique and so cute looking. I have literally been eyeballing these shoes since October. I really honestly did not think they were going to come this soon. I'm so beyond grateful. Thank you so much, EASTLAND, for sending these to me, and thank you guys for watching my videos and subscribing and following me along on my social medias. I wouldn't be here without you guys, and I love you all so much. But you better believe we're going to wear these today. We're going to figure out how to style them. Honestly, I have so many outfit ideas. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm like fangirling right now, but I'm gonna figure out how to style these. I'm gonna get an outfit. I'll show you guys in my big OOTD mirror. But then we are gonna go to the cookie party, but I'm gonna get dressed, and it's gonna be a good day. I think me and my mom might be running a few little errands before we go to the party, so I'll be sure to bring you guys along. But thank you so much for watching so far. I am so excited about this, you guys. I'm like freaking out inside. Okay guys, I started running out of time. We are on the way to the cookie party. I will have to show you guys my outfit later. It is like downpour raining right now, which is so crazy, so I threw on my little J. Crew coat. But I have the cutest outfit. I love my boots and I styled them, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. But we are on the way to the cookie party, and I'm so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. In the car on the way home. It was so much fun. I got a few little clips of the cookies. They're seriously so cute. I want to show you my favorite one, and it was like the cookie winner when I get home because it was so stinking adorable. But we're just on the way home right now. We had a delicious lunch. It was so good, and I'll show you guys my outfit when I get home because it's so fun and so festive. I am back from the cookie party, and like I said, I was going to show you guys my outfit. So I just threw on this red sweater. This is from Talbot's, and then I have on a pinstriped Oxford underneath. It's blue and white, and it's from Polo Ralph Lauren. My necklace is from a company called Kiwi and Ellie. I'm not sure if they're still in business, but it was an Etsy shop. And then I just threw on some ripped jeans, and of course my new EASTLAND boots. I'm so excited about this. And I did forget to mention, these are the Charlie 1955 in walnut. They're so stinking adorable, you guys. I absolutely love this look. And then for arm candy, I kept it really simple with my Kate Spade watch, my David Yurman, my Lily and Laura, and my Nautical Notions pearl bracelet, my little rings, and my nails are painted something by Sinful Color. I'll put the name on the screen because I cannot think of the name off the tip of my tongue, but they're really cute in red, and that is the outfit. I am so tired right now. I'm just gonna take a little break, and then I have to go do a few more like Christmas shopping errands, just because my goal is to get all my Christmas shopping done this weekend, because I haven't really even started yet. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys are done with your Christmas shopping, if you still have a few more gifts to get. I figured I would just knock it all out in one day, but I'm so exhausted. But it's been so much fun. I just stayed up way too late last night, so lacking a little bit of sleep. But I'll update you guys when I start doing something. I'm just like laying in my bed, but it's fine. Okay guys, we decided to come out to get a picture of my outfit for my Instagram. I'm so excited. It's so warm here. It's like 50 degrees, but we got the cutest picture. I'm so excited. Check out my Instagram. It's just like Kellyprepster. But we have to go pick up a few last minute gifts like I was talking about, and I'll update you guys when we're there. We're in the toy aisle. We're shopping for my little cousin, and we gotta find something good for like a 1-year-old. We got this. Guys, I think we're gonna get this little bus. It's so cute, and it comes with little people for them. Fun. Got all our presents wrapped, you guys. We're gonna go give these to them. I I'm just gonna be ending the vlog here because I am so exhausted. I feel like I've been running around like crazy today. Not sure if I got a ton of vlog footage, and I'm sorry about that. I've just been so busy with family and then going to see my cousins to give them gifts and everything, and I didn't want to like shove a vlog camera in their face. So I hope you understand. I hope you guys are having a great day and have been enjoying this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. I'm gonna go change into my PJs, edit this vlog so it's ready in the morning for you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with my next video. Bye guys!